Rather you lost your Uber Eats Plus card or it simply got stolen. In this quick Uber Eats tutorial video, I'll teach you how you can activate it and even get it replaced. Starting off on the home page of our Uber Eats screen, let's click the 3 lines in the top left hand corner. Next, let's go ahead and select account because we got some account modifications to do. Let's scroll down and hit on Plus card. Now with Uber Eats, you cannot replace a card before you deactivate a card. So let's go ahead and click on replace a card so we can start the deactivation process first. Now once again, you cannot replace a card without deactivating, so you can't avoid this step, so we're going to go ahead and click on yes for deactivating the card. So super simple, go ahead and click on get a new card for your new card to be shipped out. And then you can choose to mail it to your location within 5 to 10 business days or pick it up at your nearest warehouse. Simply enter in your address if you chose for it to be sent to your current address. Uber will then confirm your name and your billing address together. And now your Plus card will be officially on the way. Now if you want to confirm that it's on the way, all you need to do is exit out of this. Go back towards your home page and just click on your recent inbox. You should see this notice to tell you that your card is on the way, so you have peace of mind. Now let me show you how you activate that card for future references. So just like I showed you, you would go to your home screen, you would go to Plus card, and you're going to see this. When you get the card, click activate card and confirm that card number, and you are ready to go in the application for Shop and Pay orders.